On December 5th, southeast Saskatchewan got their first taste of a blizzard for the winter season. The snowfall started at about 4:30 in the morning and didn't stop for 24 hours. Environment Canada issued a winter storm warning before daylight, but then changed it into a blizzard warning in the afternoon. Much of the highways in the southeast were closed off by local authorities to keep motorists safe. This includes the Highway 47 north towards Stoughton, Highway 18 east, and Highway 39 south towards the U.S. border. The aftermath became the buses left cancelled for students the next day, city crews struggling to clear snow off the streets, and much of the highways containing a travel not recommended warning in the highway hotline. It is only safe to say there is more to come. For Discover Estevan News, I'm Lemuel Alquino.